So with all soldering, you've got to make sure that everything is nice and clean. So these pipes got left outside on another job. That's why they're a little bit more discoloured. So clean them up. Then we're going to use some flux round on the pipe. Doesn't have to be pretty because you're never going to see any of this. Got a 90 elbow in. Oh God, that is a lot on there. That is a lot. So we need to sort that out. You don't want that much, I mean that is mental. I'll get that in. And then what I'm going to do is going to lean that down there. Obviously heat it up, you'll see it start changing colour slightly. And that is your time to get your solder in. And that's it. Job's good. In. Little wipe off with a damp cloth. Then we can retape that and do the process again for the other one. Okay, so you join me in the loft.